In this video, we'll take a thin metallic needle, mark one end with a piece of paper. Next, what we do is we take a permanent magnet, make the north pole face downwards, and stroke this metallic needle with this magnet. Notice we're making those strokes in the direction away from the piece of paper. Let's see what happens. When we do this, this metallic needle turns into a magnet in itself. Now what we do is we place it into a styrofoam piece and allow it to float in water. Now when it's allowed to float in water, it becomes like a magnetic compass, because a magnetic compass is actually a freely suspended magnet. You can see I've placed a magnetic compass in the corner just as a reference. You'll notice that this needle also aligns itself in the north-south direction, just like the magnetic compass. Which end is the North Pole? Of course, the end that points towards the north is the North Pole of this pin as well. Okay, if you remember, we were making strokes with the North Pole of the permanent magnet away from the paper piece. You'll notice that the point where we start the stroke becomes the North Pole, and the other end, obviously, the South Pole. Even if we disturb the position of this needle, it will come back and align itself in the north-south direction. Okay, what if we do something different and we do the opposite of what we had done? Like, what if we took the North Pole of this permanent magnet and began stroking towards the paper piece? Last time it was away from the paper piece, this time we're doing it towards the paper piece. Can you guess which end would be the North Pole now? Yes, you guessed it right. The end where we're starting the stroke from should be the North Pole now, right? Let me mark that. Yeah. Now, if we continue the experiment and place it back in the water, what do you expect? Right? Of course, you expect that the North Pole gets aligned in the north direction. Let's see if that happens. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yes, it happens again. So this confirms that the magnetic needle will align itself in the north-south direction, and the point where we start stroking the magnet becomes the North Pole.